Grumpy.
How was your Christmas?
Good.
Yeah? Why was it good?
Because I loved it.
Did you get a lot of good stuff?
Yes.
What'd you get?
Lots of toys.
Good. Were you a good boy?
Yes.
And did you see Santa Claus?
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
What did he look like?
He looked like a Packard.
A Packard?
Yes.
Interesting. And did you talk to him?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I want to toys, but he said the elves are working on them.
Oh, you mean at the mall you seen Santa Claus? Yeah.
Yes.
Did you see him Christmas night?
No.
No. But he came, didn't he?
Yeah.
And he left a bunch of stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your favorite thing you got for Christmas?
Toys.
Good answer. And you also got, let's see, what else? A bunch of chocolate.
Yeah.
And, see, you got a kitchen and...
and I got a chocolate Santa Claus, and I got a chocolate coin, a really big one.
Yeah. And you got, a train. And a wheel. A train set and a wheelbarrow. And
Papi said he will bring the big stuff.
Yeah, and he did, didn't he?
And Mommy said she will bring the little stuff.
Yeah. And what about a shopping cart? You got a shopping cart?
Yes.
How many Incredible Hulk toys did you get?
1, 2.
2, yeah.
And I got one orange dinosaur.
And one orange dinosaur, and black hole, and photon, and neutron, and some...
But we can't find the blue...
and
the siren and headlights.
Well, we'll find him when we clean up. I don't know where he went to. You want to say anything to Aunt Carrie?
I hope you have a good Christmas.
Bye.
Bye.